Morning class. I am Juvel Sarda and I am your teacher for today's discussion. So, let's pray first. Miss Calizar, please lead the prayer. Before you take your seats, kindly pick up the pieces of paper and put it in the trash. So, I have here jumble words and all you need to do is arrange it. Those words on the blackboard are part of our topic, the Pygmalion Effect. Okay, before we start the discussion, what was our last topic? Anyone? Anyone who can remember what was our last topic? Okay, very good. So our topic for today is all about Pygmalion Effect. So I have here a PPT about Pygmalion Effect. Miss Herodias, please read. So the Pygmalion Effect is a psychological term used to describe the impact of positive or negative expectations on the performance of individual or a group. It introduces bias onto your research. The underlying idea is that when a leader, authority figure, or role model believes we can succeed in a certain area, we will work hard to meet their expectations. This also implies that we do better when we more is expected of us. So let's proceed to the next. So, for example, if a manager believes in the abilities of their team, the team will outperform one whose manager believes the opposite, even if the two terms are equally skilled. So, how the Pygmalion effect works? The Pygmalion effect demonstrates the power expectations have in shaping behavior. This effect occurs because we tend to internalize the labels others place upon us. We try to conform to those labels, whether positive or negative. So, the Pygmalion effects works in a circular fashion. So, Mr. Baral, please read number 1 to 4. Thank you, Mr. Baral. In other words, someone else's high expectations for our performance doesn't only impact how we act but also how they act. To apply this, let's take the example of a teacher. A teacher's expectations on a student are conveyed in four ways. So, first is climate, second is feedback, third is input, and fourth is output. So, Miss Vitubina, please read. So suppose a teacher believes her class can get high grades on the end of semester test. The teacher conveys that she is sure they will do well if they try work hard to prepare. In the following weeks, while practicing mock exam in class, the teacher maintains a positive attitude. She encourages every student to answer and participate. Whenever students are mistaken and she takes the time to explain the correct answer. Because the teacher values the students' abilities and tries to create a climate of success, students are more likely to internalize this belief and work hard to prepare for the test. As the students attune their behavior to the teacher's expectations, the teacher's belief in her students is confirmed. This motivates her further to help her students to do well. So, next slide. Why is the Pygmalion effect is important? So, Mr. Angoring, please read the first paragraph. Okay, thank you. So, Miss Triquitilio, read the second paragraph. Caparos, please read the third paragraph. Since we are done to our discussion, please get one half sheet of paper and answer the following questions. So first, how does the Pygmalion effect influence people's behavior and performance? Number two, what is the Pygmalion effect also known as? So, what have you learned about the Pygmalion effect? Anyone from the class? Okay, Miss Riccitelio. Okay, very good. So we are done to our discussion class. Goodbye and God bless.